Hi guys, so it's another wonderful morning here in the Philippines, and it's another wonderful morning here in the jungle. So it's Wednesday morning here in the Philippines, and right now we're on the way to San Carlos City. We're gonna do some errands. So as you can hear, my voice is not good because I've been having some cold and cough. I've been sick for last few days, right? Been not feeling good. So we're traveling, going to San Carlos City, and I hope you all are doing good. I really do appreciate all of you guys for supporting my YouTube channel, and for my new subscribers out there, thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel. So I was telling my husband that maybe we can repair the van this morning, but he told me that maybe in the end of this month we're gonna repair because the problem is not really bad. So we already have the parts, and we're just due maybe by the end of this month, because in the first week of February we're gonna go to Dumaguete City. That's why we're gonna do the change oil by the end of this month, so it's be ready by next month.
It'll be fresh.
Yeah. So we'll be celebrating our anniversary next month, February 5. Hopefully we can book that resort that we really want. It's a little bit pricey than the other resort, right? That we been last year. But we need to
Do a change of scenery.
Yeah, we need to change the scenery this time, because we that resort that we've been last year, we've been there many times. I don't know how many times we've been that resort.
Probably 5 or 6 times.
So this time we're gonna check out the new resort. Hopefully that they can give us a discount, because if the original price is they give that original price, we cannot afford to go there because it's really pricey. I mean, it's much expensive than the other one.
Yeah, I think it's too expensive. We just do the backup plan, go back to cabs.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So if we cannot afford that resort that we really want, we just go to Cabs Resort the last time that we went, because we need to go to the immigration first, then the next day we go to that resort. So we're gonna stay maybe one night in Dumaguete City, and in the next day we go to that resort. But maybe, hopefully, they can give us a discount. If not, we're just go back to the resort that we normally went before.
Yeah, because it's quite comfortable. It's nice and clean. Food's good.
Yeah.
Can't say anything negative. Nice beach.
Yeah, that resort that we been before last year, it's really nice because it's just a small resort, but it's peaceful, and also the environment is so scenic.
And the people are nice there too.
Yeah, and the people, and also the staff in the resort are very friendly. So we're not complaining.
Yeah, can highly recommend it.
Yeah. So they never disappoint us staying in that resort. But this time we just want a new place ba, a new scenery. So hopefully that they can give us a small discount so that we can book a rooms. So maybe I call today that resort or tomorrow. Hopefully. So road check this morning is it's been busy morning in the road. So I'm gonna show you guys the road traffic here. As you can see, this is the view going to San Carlos City. As you can see, it's busy, very busy this morning. So this road here, they already widen it.
I've noticed just there's no Jeepies, there's a lot more tricycles on this road.
Yeah. Supposedly, before, they have a lots of Jeep here. But I think they stopped doing the...
Well, they just didn't renew the franchises after the pandemic.
Yeah, they not renew the franchise.
I think they want to do like Cebu, move up into the newer.
Mostly right now, it's the tricycle and also the bus.
Yeah.
It's the only
V-hire.
transportation. There's no jeepney.
And no dangerous vans.
And they have that V-hire that they're very really not safe because they've been driving so fast, like no one can stop them.
It's unreal.
Yeah.
The buses used to be that way. They're not.
Yeah, but yeah, the bus supposed to be that way, but right now they have that.
Yeah, they put a speed limiter on.
Yeah, they have that speed that they need to
They call it a governor.
follow. Yeah, they have that.
So the buses won't run like they used to. They used to be like V-hires.
They need to maintain their speed, right? Because if they overdo it.
Well, the buses won't run but so fast now.
Yeah. Because it's not safe anyway because it's a lot of passenger.
And the way people drive here, driving at high speed is very, very dangerous.
I saw some news there in the Facebook. It happens like yesterday.
Yeah.
Somewhere there in the next to the Dumaguete ba, that place there, next to Zamboanguita.
Oh.
Yeah, have an accident, bus and trike. Looks like the driver of the trike is dead. As you can see that.
Likely they got hit by a bus.
Yeah, because the bus have a big damage in front. Then the trike looks like smashed by in front of the trike, the driver's side. Looks like the bus smashing. It's really sad.
Yeah.
Hopefully there's no passenger in the trike. All I can see is the driver hurt so bad that I don't know. Looks like he passed out. But he looks so rough.
If he survived it, he's very lucky.
Yeah.
The problem with the tricycles, they got a real bad habit of just swinging around.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, course, I don't know if that was the case that accident.
Yeah, the problem here in the Philippines did not follow the rules, the traffic rules.
No. There's no enforcement.
Yeah. It's not like in the other country that they have some, they enforce, right?
Yeah.
And they follow the rules. Over here, they just don't care. Don't ever care their life.
I mean, you'd be surprised how many people ride a motorcycle with no helmet.
Yeah.
And there is a helmet law.
If you are in Cebu City, if you're not wearing helmet, they will fine you.
Yeah, in the city limits, yeah, but you get out in the city, it's just like this one, no helmet.
Yeah, in Cebu City, it's more strict than here because you know Negros is not really. It's not lots of people.
Another thing too, like I said, unless you get into the city itself.
Like yeah, in the city, you need to wear the proper gear.
As soon as I get outside the city limits, off it goes. Like this one.
Yeah. Yeah, some of the people here, they only wear helmet when they are in the city. If they are outside the city, they take off their helmet. The helmet that I bought, baby, it's not so fit on me. It's a little bit loose on me.
But it won't be as hot.
Looks like San Carlos, they gonna build more store. Lots of.
You know, San Carlos has grown a lot since we've been here.
Yeah. So we're already here in San Carlos City.
Where we going to first?
They're in that where I do my pedicure. It's before People's Park. The right side. Before People's Park. Before Mr. C.
Okay.
The town. I'm gonna let someone clean my nails because on my feet because there's a big ingrown. It's been last year since I do my pedicure. I do it on myself by myself. Sometimes I can take out the ingrown.
You do a good job on mine.
Yeah, but mine, you know, it's difficult because I bend like that. It's really hard. But it's not all the time that I let someone do this because sometimes I do it by myself because especially there's no ingrown. I can do it by myself. So San Carlos City is a big improvement now since we first live here.
Yeah.
First time we live here in 2013? 2013? 14?
Yeah, 13. Because
Yeah.
we were born 14.
Since 2013 is a big improvement here now.
November 2019. That's electric trike.
Careful, there's lots of traffic. There's,
I'm
Hi
surprised.
guys, so we're just finished our errands there in San Carlos. And right now I'm eating some turks. So we're on the way home now. Just how many hours we spend there? 2 hours?
Not hardly by hour and a half.
Yeah. We bought some new pan, cooking pan, because the last time that we bought the small pan, it's really good, so we bought the bigger one too.
Yeah, we got lucky.
Yeah, we got lucky because it's only one last. Only one left.
Yeah. There's only one left when I bought the small one.
Yeah.
I didn't expect it to still be though.
So I've been getting some groceries also. So I'm eating some Torx right now. Virgil's favorite, so I bought him two pieces of Torx.
I'll tell you something you'll notice if you use those pans. You're not using as much oil.
Yeah, normally I use only a 1 tablespoon of oil, olive oil, when I cook your food. Yeah, that pan that we bought, I only use 1 tablespoon of olive oil on it, so it not use a lot of oil.
I only give about a half now. Small pan.
Maybe I tried only half tablespoon.
Yeah. I noticed when I did that bread, I probably used 1/4. It was plenty.
Yeah, I try only one half tablespoon. So we not do a lot there in San Carlos. We don't do so much. Just the things that we need to use in the house. That's what we only get there.
I got a softball TV. Awesome.
So I see you guys later, so stay tuned. So we stop here in La Playa Beach Resort because around 1 p.m. we have some meeting for all the parents of the band member in the school, and we're just wait here because it's already 11:40. So we're just wait here instead of going home. So here we are here. My husband is here. Baby, say hi guys. He's so serious. He's serious playing his games. So the water finally calmed down. It's high tide. It's really nice in here. So peaceful, and there's only one cottage that it's rented, so there's not a lot of people there in the cottages. So you can see that the water is so nice, clear. It's another hot day for us, another solar day for us. Free electricity. So we are here in the restaurant. My husband will gonna drink some coffee, and maybe later we're gonna eat lunch here. So it's so nice breeze here. It's pretty. And they don't have customers here too. We're just the one here. So silent. There's no music, so silent. So I order your native coffee. They have some native coffee, so I order him some native coffee. They have some grilled squid if you want, baby. They have grilled sizzling squid. Sizzling squid. You want? Ay, wala niya sa... You want some sizzling squid?
Okay.
Oh, then rice. You want rice? O usa lang? Usa ka rice. Garlic rice. Namoy garlic rice?
Garlic rice?
Oh, garlic rice.
Kapag dili ang paano mo na akong maluto? Pabalo siya na.
Okay,
Garlic rice, right? Itang sa...
Kanon.
Paris at ang sizzling squid.
Garlic rice.
Saramaan.
Oh. So, I ordered some sizzling squid and garlic rice for my husband. Oh, this kaba is so disturbing. My throat is so pain. So, I already bought some medication for my cough and cold. Maybe because of the weather that is so hot, then in the evening have some rain. Di lang sa tagpila man ang manit eh. There's a peanut lady here. He sells some peanuts, pila, cheese. There. Fresh peanuts. Wait, do you have 10 pesos? 10 pesos? I buy some peanuts. Yeah, 10 or 20. Kadiyot sa tiha. So they have some customers now. Then 15. I just buy 2 because it's 10 pesos. Ati wala na kog usa. So 20 pesos for the 10 pesos for this peanuts, so I bought 2. So 20 pesos for this. It's not so bad. So it's many. She's happy, guys, the lady, because I bought some peanuts on here. So you want some peanuts, baby? So I'll see you guys later, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys later, so stay tuned, guys. So the meeting is finally finished. We have a meeting in the band, members of the School of Virgil, and they have practice because tomorrow they have some parade in all the athletes in the school. I think how many schools here in Vallehermoso, they're gonna have some parade tomorrow with the athletes, together with the athletes.
Athletes. Athletes.
Athletes. Athletes. I cannot pronounce it correctly, sorry. And
okay. It's a tough word to pronounce even for me.
And in our meeting, some of the parents complaining because the band uniform, it's not really nice the way they stitch it. And it's not worth the money. The one we paid on it is not really worth it because did not do correctly the job. So most of the parents really upset because the pay is so big and it's not worth it. Looks like they're just experimenting on it. Looks like it's their first time to do sewing. So most of the parents really upset and they want to give it back to them and they want their money back because really not good at all, especially the boots, the colors, it's not really combined with it's not uniform. So many of them are upset and they want that lady to be there in the school so that they can complain and they want their money back because they're not happy on it. Some of them is too tight on the kids, especially the boys. The pants is very tight on the kids. They cannot wear it. And also some of them is not finished even though it's been 2 months or 3 months since they went to the sewing shop. I think it's not moving, the truck. It just stay there.
No?
Yeah, it's not moving.
How am I going to get around it?
Maybe the driver is over there. We've been... There's a sugar cane truck in the center of the road.
Might be broke down.
Yeah, maybe. So I don't know what they're gonna do, but Virgil's outfit in the band uniform is fine, but it's a little bit tight on him, but he can wear it. Maybe I can do some adjustment on it so that he can wear. Still can fit. Fully loaded sugarcane truck. So they harvest the sugarcane on this side here. Look at the sky. So clear. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you the practice of their band this afternoon. So Virgil is over there too. He's been joining this afternoon. So tomorrow they're gonna have the parade. At this side also they cut the sugar cane. So you like your foods there? The squid?
Oh yeah. It's very good. It was prepared the way I like it. Kind of crunchy like.
Yeah. So I asked my husband if he likes the squid there in La Playa. Sizzling squid.
The only way it could be more perfect, they made it a little spicy.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's very good.
The sugarcane farmer. Bouncy, bouncy. So they're digging some here. It's the water.
Yeah.
Got the sugar cane on that side. Is that a tractor? Or excavator?
Excavator.
Excavator.
We use it to clear the ditch out.
Yeah, excavator. I still have a difficult time that
Better than doing it by hand.
yeah. My cup is so disturbing.
A person with a van like ours.
Yeah, it's like our van.
That's the original color of this one.
I still not smell this one. You smell it?
No, we've been invited to a birthday party. I think in May.
Yeah.
One of my subscribers Papaya Beach on Saturday.
So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching. And for my new subscribers out there, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna do more videos again soon. So thank you again, and God bless us all.